The tech world is currently buzzing with an intensity we haven't seen in years, and at the center of this firestorm is the most anticipated flagship camera of the decade. We are talking about the successor to the legendary Nikon Z9, a camera that already defined the mirrorless era, and now, the industry is holding its collective breath as the first concrete details about the Nikon Z9 II begin to emerge. The anticipation isn't just about another iterative update. It's about a potential paradigm shift in professional imaging. Everywhere you look, from professional sports photography forums to the high-stakes world of commercial cinematography, the conversation has turned toward this singular, elusive beast. People are asking, can Nikon actually pull off another leap forward, or is the bar already set too high? Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The rumors swirling around the Nikon Z9 II are nothing short of revolutionary, suggesting that Nikon is looking to integrate technology that, until now, felt like pure science fiction. We are hearing whispers of a complete re-engineering of the stacked CMOS sensor. Imagine a sensor boasting nearly 3.5 times the readout speed of the original Z9. In the world of high-end photography, speed is everything, and this kind of leap would effectively eliminate even the faintest traces of rolling shutter, making electronic shutter performance indistinguishable from the physical mechanical shutters of the past. For those shooting in the blindingly fast environments of motorsports or capturing the fleeting movements of wildlife, this isn't just an improvement. It is a game-changer that fundamentally alters how you approach a shot. But the hardware stories don't stop there. The most significant leak involves the integration of Red Digital cinema technology. Ever since the acquisition, the industry has been waiting to see how that legendary color science and raw workflow would blend with Nikon's robust Z-mount ecosystem. The current word on the street is that the Nikon Z9 II will feature internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW recording at a staggering 8.3K open gate. This moves the camera squarely into the territory of dedicated Hollywood-grade cinema rigs, while maintaining the ergonomics and weather sealing that made the original Z9 a workhorse for field photographers. It is an ambitious marriage of two worlds, the precision of Nikon's imaging engineering and the raw power of Red's cinema heritage. Then, there is the intelligence factor. The next-generation X8 processor is at the heart of these rumors, acting as the brain behind a completely overhauled predictive AI autofocus system. We've all seen the current Z9 lock onto birds and cars with ease, but the new system is rumored to handle extreme, low-contrast, and high-noise environments like dense, heavy snowfall with a level of persistence that was previously impossible. This is the holy grail for wildlife shooters who have long dealt with focus systems getting distracted by falling snowflakes or high-contrast particles. By using more complex machine learning models, the Nikon Z9 II is expected to prioritize the subject even when the environment is fighting against the lens. Let's talk about the ISO performance, because this is where the rumors get truly fascinating. Sources suggest that Nikon is aiming for a native base ISO of 32. By pushing the sensor's dynamic range to these unprecedented lows, the camera could provide medium format style image quality in a full-frame body. For a studio photographer or a landscape specialist, having that extra latitude in the highlights and shadows is not just a convenience. It's a massive creative advantage that allows for a level of post-processing flexibility we haven't seen in a flagship of this class before. Of course, a flagship is only as good as the ecosystem supporting it. The roadmap for 2026 implies that the Nikon Z9 II will launch alongside a new tier of Z-mount lenses that are specifically optimized to resolve the massive data throughput this camera is expected to handle. We are seeing discussions about the refinement of VR, vibration reduction, systems, with rumors pointing toward as much as 8 stops of compensation. When you combine that stability with the potential for 64 frames per second full-resolution raw continuous shooting, you start to see why professional shooters are so impatient. PS is a camera designed to capture moments that the human eye might miss entirely. As we look deeper into the leaks, the question of price and release timing naturally comes up. While Nikon remains notoriously tight-lipped, the patterns of their past releases suggest they are currently in the final stages of optimizing the sensor and processor integration. We aren't looking at a rush product. We are looking at a calculated move to dominate the professional market for the next 3 to 5 years. For those of you in the USA market who have been waiting for the right moment to pivot your entire production workflow, the Nikon Z9 II is positioned to be that centerpiece. It is the tool that promises to handle everything from the 8K cinema production to the ultra-high-speed sports burst without forcing you to switch systems or compromise on build quality. The Z9 was the camera that proved Nikon was serious about its future in the mirrorless landscape. It killed off the need for a flagship DSLR by providing everything a professional could possibly ask for in a reliable, tough, and incredibly fast body. The Z9 II is now tasked with building upon that legacy, moving past the competitor phase and into a market leader phase where they dictate the standard for what a camera can do. Whether it's the potential for AI-driven subject acquisition that actually understands the scene or the sheer resolution of 8K per 120 frames per second internal recording, this device is clearly being built for those who cannot afford to miss a frame.